How did a civilization with no machines raise millions of stone blocks into perfect pyramids that still stand 4,500 years later? Long before cranes and concrete, the ancient Egyptians engineered structures that continue to puzzle modern architects. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu around 2600 BCE, was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. It was made from over 2.3 million limestone and granite blocks, each weighing between 2 to 80 tons. These blocks weren't just stacked at random, they were aligned with astronomical precision. Modern laser scans show its base is nearly perfectly level, with sides aligned to true north within a fraction of a degree. Ancient surveyors used tools like plumb bobs and merkets to measure straight lines and right angles. Without iron tools or wheels, they accomplished what seemed impossible. The planning alone would have taken decades, revealing a deep understanding of mathematics and astronomy. Transporting the stones was just as complex as building the pyramid itself. Most stones came from nearby quarries, but granite blocks were hauled from Aswan, over 500 miles away. Workers likely floated them along the Nile on massive wooden barges, using the river's current during flooding season. Once ashore, they built slick mud or water-lubricated ramps to drag the stones across the sand. New evidence suggests large sleds and teams of workers pulled blocks with wet sand, reducing friction. Some ramps may have spiraled around the pyramid or been built straight up with gradual inclines. Rope holes found in nearby stones support these. Dragging methods. It wasn't brute strength alone, it was brilliant logistics on a national scale. Who actually built these monumental structures? For years, myths suggested slaves, but archaeology tells a different story. Skilled laborers, stonecutters, masons, engineers, and artisans formed a massive workforce supported by a national infrastructure. Excavations near Giza have uncovered workers' villages complete with bakeries, breweries, and medical facilities. These weren't prisoners. They were well-fed laborers, rotating in and out in shifts of thousands. Some even left graffiti on the pyramid blocks, proudly naming their teams things like the Drunkards of Menkar. Skeletons show signs of healed. Injuries meaning workers received medical care. Their role was vital, and they were honored for it. But why go to such extremes to build these pyramids? Beyond tombs, they were spiritual launch pads, portals to the afterlife. Ancient Egyptians believed the pharaoh was a living god, and the pyramid helped his soul ascend to the heavens. The pyramid's shape symbolized the sacred Benben stone and the rays of the sun god Ra. Burial chambers were deep inside, filled with treasures, spells, and food for eternity. Hieroglyphs and artwork on the walls reinforced the journey of the soul, guiding it through trials to reach immortality. The sheer size wasn't just for prestige, it was a statement of divine order, cosmic balance, and the pharaoh's eternal legacy. The precision of pyramid construction is still jaw-dropping. The Great Pyramid's sides measure about 230 meters each, yet they differ by less than 5 centimeters. Blocks were fitted so tightly that not even a blade can slip between them. Builders used copper chisels and dolerite pounders to shape stone, which seems primitive, yet it worked with astounding accuracy. Internal passageways and air shafts align with stars and solstices, hinting at both spiritual and astronomical intent. Even the pyramid's placement on a limestone plateau near the Nile was strategic, ensuring stability and visibility. This wasn't just architecture, it was sacred geometry made real. Today, the pyramids still stand as icons of human ingenuity. Tourists walk their ancient steps, and scientists continue uncovering new secrets buried in sand and stone. We now use drones, thermal imaging, and muon detectors to explore hidden chambers inside these colossal tombs. The more we learn, the more respect we gain for the people who built them without modern tools or technology. The pyramids remind us that determination, organization, and vision can achieve the extraordinary. In honoring their pharaohs, the Egyptians built something even more lasting, their own eternal legacy, written in stone.